Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at Saint Laurent sunglasses model SL461 in color code 013. The glasses are held in protected bags to make sure that they don't get scratched or damaged. The color of the frame is transparent, and the lenses are violet. These glasses are also rectangular shape. On its temples, you'll find the Saint Laurent logo on both sides. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Saint Laurent Paris logo, the serial number, and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, which is SL461, the model name, which is Betty, and the color code, which is 013, as well as the dimensions of the frame. 54 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Saint Laurent case, a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is carrying a Saint Laurent black cleaning cloth and a Saint Laurent Paris envelope, which holds a Saint Laurent authenticity card and a Saint Laurent Paris booklet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any other glasses, make sure to check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.